Hello my dear students, how are you all? Hope all you are well in your home and doing your study. So for the COVID situation, we are doing our online classes and all the educational activities is going through online. So as part of this online classes, today I have come here to take another very important class for you, and that is about our revised syllabus and exam strategy for English first paper. Okay, so my dear students, you are very young and tender and fresh, and the very important thing is that for COVID situation last year you didn't study in your class properly. So okay, and you get promoted to the next class, that means class 2. So today I will discuss how will you uh, take part in your evaluation test, okay, and how will you answer all the questions in your answer script, so that you don't feel any type of problem whenever you will get the question online or you will do the test online test. Okay, so that's why today I will discuss about that question pattern and also the item how will you answer. So first of all, the question will be set from word meaning in English. Okay, word meaning in English. That means, you know, in class 1 you also have your word meaning in English. That means you will have to write the synonym of the word or any description of the given word, okay, so that we can understand that this word means that word. Okay, we have given some examples here like hut, a small house, draw, sketch, okay, igloo, house of ice. That means hut, a small house, we know that is made of bamboo, straw, that sort of thing. Draw mean making sketch or drawing in a paper. Igloo, house of ice. Okay, so igloo, we know that in the Eskimos use igloo house. So thus you will answer. There will be 10 marks. How many marks? 10 marks in that question. Okay, so next question will be said, make sentence with the given words. That means 5 words will be given and you will have to make sentence with these words. So sometimes students call us and tell us, sir, whether we should write the same sentence as you taught in the online class. My dear students, I wanted to assure you that there is no need of that. Any type of acceptable grammatically correct sentence will be accepted. Clear? Grammatically correct sentence will be accepted. So, for example, bat. I play with bat. Okay, that is correct. And if you write here, this is my favorite bat, that will also be accepted. Okay, my dear students, no problem. The sentence should be meaningful and grammatically correct. For example, cup, he drinks a cup of tea. Okay, you can also write, my mother bought a nice cup. If you write like that, that will also be correct. Okay, so you are totally independent to write the sentence as you wish, and I hope that you will try to write the sentence by yourself. Okay, you won't memorize any sentence, because if you memorize, your learning will be limited within some words, within some sentence. But I want that you write the sentences as you wish, no problem. Okay, so there will be also 10 marks. 2 multiplied by 5, there will be also 10 marks. So question number 3, rhyme. What? Rhyme. There will be 2 rhyme in that semester for you, that is head and shoulder, and put your hand. Head and shoulder, put your hand. You know that we have already revised the syllabus and make it limited for you so that you can take good preparation with a short syllabus or limited syllabus. So dear student, in case of rhyme, you sometimes mistake, okay, some very unusual things. First of all, you mistake punctuations. What? Punctuations. Because in rhyme, the use of punctuations come very frequently, like full stop, like comma, like exclamation mark, question mark, okay, sometimes dot, sometimes hyphen, these sort of things. So dear students, be very much cautious, practice again and again so that your punctuation mark is not has not brought any mistake point. Okay, another very important thing, we know that in each and every sentence the first word will be capital letter, isn't it? Okay, but sometimes in the rhyme we find that some sentences or part of sentences has started with small letter. Okay, small letter. So as it is written in the book or in the rhyme, you will have to write like that. Clear? So you have to be very much cautious about the punctuation, capitalization and small letter, okay, in the rhyme. Hope that you understand. Okay, so there are two other types that I will discuss with you. You just take a note of that within a minute. After that I will discuss the rest of the thing with you. So dear students, we have already seen three questions, that is word meaning in English, the second one is making sentence with the given words, and the third one is rhyme. Each and every question bear 10 marks. Okay, so the fourth question is fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks. So remember, in fill in the blanks you can use any type of word, okay, but the word that we are using is not mandatory for you, but in some cases you actually can't help using other anything, but in some cases there are options. Let me show you. For example, what's your dash? Okay, what's your dash? So usually here come what's your name. Okay, what's your name? So you can tell it what's your name. And the second one, look at the dash. Look at the dash. If you consider this question, you will find that there are a variety of options here. Okay, for example, we can use look at the board. Okay, look at the sky, look at the picture. Okay, look at the man. There may be many more options. Okay, so in that case you are independent to write your answer, and if anything just become meaningfully right, then you will get the marks. So for example, the next one, how many hens are, how many hens are, so you have to write here there, how many hens are there. Okay, so there is no other alternative options here, so you have to write that. Number 4, dash the number. Okay, so what can be the possible answer? Count the number. Okay, count the numbers. So hope that you understand that in the case of fill in the blanks, some fill in the blanks may be just fixed. You can't change the words, or you can't put any word, but in some cases you have lots of options. Okay, so number 5, make sentences with the jumble words. Okay, make sentence with the jumble words. That is another very interesting question for you, and it also helps to, but the main problem is that in your examination there will be 5 sentences bearing 2 marks each, and that will be 10 marks. But in that case you can mistake slightly also. Okay, any find he food cannot, so what will be the answer? The answer is he cannot find any food. Okay, so if just one word just jumbles or is not in the right position, you don't have any scope to get partial marks. Okay, you will have to lose the full mark. So in that case you have to be very much careful. Okay, so mouse thin, Mr. very is. What will be the answer? Mr. Mouse is very thin. Okay, so that is the answer. But in some cases, in jumble words also, sometimes we find that in some sentences the first clause, there are two clauses. So sometimes the first clause, one clause comes at first and the another in the later part. But if we uh, just change the position of that clause, the meaning doesn't change. Okay, in that case, so that are very I think not suitable for your class. That is the matter of a little bit higher classes. So I hope that you understand that 5 questions will come for your English first paper. I'm just giving you an again repetition. First one, that is uh, word meaning in English, and there will be 10 marks. The second one, making sentence with given words, that will bear 10 marks. Then rhyme, that will also bear 10 marks. And after that, number 4, fill in the blanks, there will be 10 fill in the blanks bearing each mark each. So there will also be 10 marks. And finally there will be jumble letter words. Okay, making sentence with jumble words, that will also bear 10 marks. This 5 item bearing 10 marks equally, which will equal to 50. Okay, so dear students, hope that you understand, and don't forget to keep margin, keep spaces in your writing. Your handwriting must be very neat and clean, good to carry good marks, and also keep enough space in your writing. Okay, hope you understand. Enjoy the class, and if you fail to understand anything, leave your comment in the comment box. I'll try to answer that. Thank you very much.
I should fuck her in the Benz.